You guys remember Blackberry? Well, after January 4, which is coming up a few days from this, according to their website, this was updated right before Christmas as a reminder the legacy services for a Blackberry 7.1 OS and earlier Blackberry 10 software, Blackberry Playbook OS 2.1, and a partridge in the pear tree. And earlier versions will no longer be available after January 4, 2022. As of this date, devices running these legacy services and software through either carrier or Wi-Fi connections will no longer reliably function, including data, phone calls, and so on. We thank many of our loyal customers over the years and invite you to learn more about BlackBerry, intelligence security software services to enterprises and governments around the world. Okay, well, I know nothing about that, but if you have one of the devices, maybe it's time to move on. Then the company gets started back in the mid-90s as RIM, Research in Motion, yeah. And I think they got started with two-way pagers. Remember those? How cute. And then a few years later, the first BlackBerry device was released. That was cutting-edge technology back then, but then in 2007, something came out that changed the world. No, it wasn't the Hannah Montana show. It was the iPhone. And one of my friends says all these devices today is so confusing. He has a very special device. It's called I Quit.